Hey, yo, it's science time with Mr. O, and we're talking about that H2O. What is H2O? Well, you're looking at it. I say frio, that means it's cold. This is ice. Ice, ice, baby. Know what I mean? For real. Don't get crazy. Now, listen. This is an exact science. No ifs, buts, or maybes. This is ice, right? Ice. And is ice water? Is it H2O? And what is H2O? Well, H2O, the H is hydrogen, 2 parts hydrogen and oxygen, 1 part oxygen. When these gases combine, then it becomes water, okay? So, what happens if we melt this ice into water? Will it still be H2O? Let me know. I'll be right back. Now, we are going to melt the ice. We are going to put it in a pan. And we'll see what it turns into. Tell me what it's going to turn into. So, were you right or wrong? What happened when we melted the ice? What did it turn into? Did it turn into a solid, a liquid, or a gas? Let's see. Take a look. You see it? Liquid water, H2O. Another form of H2O. Now, what happens when I turn this up and we wait about 3 minutes? Because they say it takes about 3 minutes for water to boil. I guess it's how much and if stuff is in it. But for a rule of thumb, you might want to say, you will boil it for about 3 minutes, and then let's see what happens. Oh, it's starting to happen already, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Look at this. Look at the steam. Look at the steam. You might see my wife's hand. She's making ketchup too. Look. Look at that. Say hi to Miss O. All right, we making ketchup. She's making ketchup. I'm taking credit. We making ketchup. And, and I'm boiling water over there making home fries. But there's steam. All right, I love it. So, is steam a solid, a liquid, or a gas? It's a gas, okay? And it evaporates. When it goes up, it evaporates, and when it comes back down, it's condensation. Evaporation up, condensation down. So now we have 3 forms of water: solids, ice, liquid, and gas, steam. Are they all considered H2O? Yes. Now you know. Gotta go. Mr. O. See ya!